Welcome to Da Nang. Welcome to the domestic arrival. We're gonna actually I'm gonna walk you through to the whole terminal here. It is very small. We just landed with, of course, delay, but finally I'm back in Da Nang. I'm so happy. So this is how it looks when you come through with the bus boarding. Just gonna have baggage claim here on the left. The first restrooms are straight ahead. And then you're basically almost out here already. You gonna go to the restroom? Okay, I'm gonna walk and show the whole airport terminal here. Domestic terminal of Da Nang. I just flew in from Hanoi. But no matter what, if you're flying via Vietnam Airlines, for example, from Australia or Germany or something, you always have to recheck your luggage, okay? You have to recheck your luggage and check your luggage and again enter the country in the main city you arrive. So I'm not sure what this is. A car service? Car booking? So what you want to use here is either way Grab. Everyone has Grab in Asia. Either way Grab. I use always XANSM. It's the local Vietnamese electric company. And there's also InDrive. InDrive is the least expensive one. So it's the cheapest. Here you can get exchange money and SIM cards. Hello.
May I help you?
So this the cheapest SIM card is 300k
How long you stay Vietnam?
for 1 month.
The same for me for 1 month. Great for 1 month.
Okay, perfect. Thank you so much. Yeah, so it's 300k. You also have some luxury car options here. 16-seater. I think you should definitely order this earlier. So you can, if you're a big family or something, you can get these big vans too. Hello. But yeah, you basically catch your luggage over there or wherever it comes out, and then you can already go out here. So it's very small. It's very small and efficient here. There's also, of course, no immigration, so there's also no fast track you can book here if you fly domestically. So everything is fine. Now let's wait for my wife. Then we're gonna go and get a Grab. Okay, so I got already my driver, and we're gonna go and find him. I booked XANSM, but you can also take Grab or anything you want. And for the Grab station, it's very simple also. You just go out and then to the right. So this is if you get a transfer booked, and they will get you here with the with your name, with your sign. That's also going to be here. So here on the right side, you can also buy some snacks or drinks or whatever. They also sell you some Vinaphone SIM cards here, but I think they're also 300k. You still have Wi-Fi here. You could order your Grab with Wi-Fi here, and just get your card whenever you arrive. But I always would get a eSIM, to be honest. So Grab car would be here on the right, okay? There you go. So I think the XANSM will be over here, but I'm not 100% sure. No, thank you. And Grab will be over there, okay? So the Grab is there at the green umbrella. And sometimes they also drive you over here, sometimes. So it's either we're here on the green umbrellas over there, or here on this lane, sometimes. Here you also have different taxi companies, like Vinasan is also official. They also take credit card. You can ask them to use the meter and everything like that. And then here you also have the prices, okay? So you know exactly how much you should pay for those kind of things, okay? But the easiest is always the ride-sharing apps. Where is it?
He said go to 1.
1A? Okay. So our Xan SM guy said we should go to 1A. He probably he was over there. There's the Xan SM place. Awesome. You also have a Highlands coffee over there and a bank account, a bank ATM. An ATM with Wincom Bank is over there. So this is where the Xan SM guys are. So maybe it is here. So the international terminal is right over there, guys. And this is the domestic one. You could also walk all the way to the back there and then take a motorbike taxi. So motorbike Grab, motorbike Xan SM, motorbike taxi in general. So it's very simple, small and easy. So here you would go for departure and here's arrival. Very simple, 2 layers. And yeah, the guys should be over there. Maybe he's walking over, driving there, baby. I feel like it's him. Okay guys, so the Xan SM is parked here. You also have taxi drivers with a cigarette there. Oh. Alright guys, there's the official smoking area over there. That looks pretty nice over there. And this is gonna be our taxi. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. Please check out this video here. Don't forget to like and subscribe and see you in the next walk.